The XP Power CCP550 AC to DC power supplies are designed for high power density, low profile installations, and efficient, quiet operation. They deliver versatile power options with 300-watt convection, 400-watt conduction-cooled, and 550-watt forced air-cooled power. The power supplies feature Class B conducted emissions, global industrial and medical safety approvals, 2x MOP isolation, and low leakage current. With a universal input range of 80 volts AC to 264 volts AC and various output options, the power supply also offers optional 5-volt standby and remote on-off capabilities and operate within a wide temperature range. The power supply boasts a 4K volts AC isolation rating and consumes less than 0.5 watts in no-load power. The XP Power CCP5500 AC to DC power supplies are versatile and well-suited for a wide variety of applications, including diagnostic and monitoring, imaging, patient treatment, and much more. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.